Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best microwave cookware sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're meal pressing, cooking at the office, or just looking for convenience in the kitchen, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Rapid Brands Deluxe 9-piece microwave cookware and dinnerware set. This versatile set is perfect for dorm rooms, small kitchens, or office use. The kit includes multiple rectangular containers in vibrant red and blue colors, designed to handle a variety of cooking, serving, and storage needs. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's microwave-safe and dishwasher-friendly, so cleanup is a breeze. The design is simple, yet effective, with a focus on durability and practicality. The solid colors and rectangular shape give the set a modern look, but the real standout feature is its multi-purpose usability. Whether you're reheating leftovers, storing meal preps, or even serving food, this set offers a lot of flexibility. However, the set lacks vented lids, which can be an inconvenience when steaming food. And while functional, it doesn't include specialized cookware like steamers or griddles. Overall, this is a good entry-level option for those who want a practical, all-in-one solution for basic microwave cooking. The price isn't listed, but its focus on durability and multifunctionality makes it a decent option for students or professionals who need something straightforward. Pros: vibrant design, durable construction, and versatility. Cons: no vented lids, and it doesn't include specialized cookware tools. At number 4, we have the Evelots Microwave Freezer Safe Bowls, a 10-piece set that combines functionality with a splash of color. This set includes 5 bowls with vented lids, and the sizes range from 7 ounces to 32 ounces, making it versatile for everything from snacks to full meals. The bright, colorful design adds a lively touch to your kitchen, while the vented lids allow for easy steam release during microwaving. The build quality is lightweight yet sturdy, with handles that stay cool to the touch for safe handling. These bowls are made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and durability. They are also dishwasher and freezer safe, making them convenient for storage and cleaning. However, their lightweight construction may not feel as premium, and the smaller sizes might not be ideal for larger families or bulk cooking. This set is a good fit for anyone looking for vibrant, stackable microwave cookware that's also freezer-friendly. It's particularly ideal for office lunches, meal prepping, or small households. Pros: colorful design, vented lids, and multifunctional use. Cons: lightweight feel and limited capacity for larger meals. Coming in at number 3 is the Ring Kit 3-pack microwave bowls with lid. This set includes 3 bowls of varying sizes, making it perfect for prepping, heating, and serving different types of meals. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, these bowls can withstand temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning they're safe for both microwaving and freezing. Each bowl comes with a vented lid and steam rack, making it easy to cook or reheat food evenly. The design is minimalist yet functional, with nesting capabilities for compact storage. The handles on both sides of the bowls provide a secure grip, even when the contents are hot. While the bowls are durable and stackable, they lack the specialized cookware features found in higher-end sets, such as griddles or steamers. Also, the overall aesthetic is quite basic, which might not appeal to everyone. This set is great for small households or individuals who prioritize space-saving solutions and simple, reliable cookware. Pros: durable and space-efficient design, versatile size options, and vented lids. Cons: lacks premium features and has a basic design. At number 2, we have the Calypso Basics by Reston Lloyd 6-piece microwave cookware, steamer, and storage set. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a reliable and affordable microwave cookware set. It includes 3 bowls with vented lids in different sizes, ranging from 24 to 40 ounces, making it versatile for heating, steaming, and storage. The vented lids allow steam to escape when needed, and the bowls nest neatly for compact storage. The design is clean and functional, with a white finish that fits into any kitchen aesthetic. Made from BPA-free polypropylene, these bowls are safe for microwaves, dishwashers, and freezers. They're lightweight but sturdy enough for everyday use. While this set doesn't include specialized cookware like griddles or stackable pots, it excels in simplicity and practicality, especially given its price point. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills option that gets the job done, this set is an excellent choice. Pros: budget-friendly, vented lids, and compact storage. Cons: lacks premium features and smaller capacity compared to other sets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Joseph M Cuisine Microwave 4-piece stackable cooking set, the premium choice on our list. This innovative set includes a 2-liter cooking pot, steamer, griddle, and lid, all designed to stack neatly for cooking an entire meal at once. The lid also doubles as a base for the griddle and steamer or as a standalone microwave plate, adding versatility to the set. The design is sleek and modern, with a polished orange and beige finish that stands out. It's made from durable, BPA-free plastic and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The integrated handles make it easy to remove from the microwave, and the set is suitable for use in microwaves up to 900 watts. While the price is on the higher side, the versatility and premium build quality make it worth the investment, especially for those who like to cook multi-component meals. This set is perfect for busy individuals or families who want to maximize their microwave's potential. Pros: stackable design for cooking entire meals, premium build quality, and versatile functionality. Cons: higher price point and limited capacity for larger families. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.